In this video, we will be learning how to find a customer and vehicle. You start by clicking on the Service button. This will bring up the RO Write-Up window and the RO Summary window. In the upper left corner of the Write-Up window, you will see the word Find. Click on it, and this brings up the Customer Vehicle window. It defaults to an RO box. If you were looking for an RO, you can put the RO number in there and click OK, and it would bring the RO number into the Write-Up window. But we want to find a customer, so click on the Customer Last Name box at the top. I'm going to use Bennett, so I will type Bennett in that box. Then click on OK in the upper right-hand side of this window. This brings up all the Bennetts in the database. As you can see, there are a lot of them. But I know his first name starts with a B, so when I type B in the box below, the first name box, and again click on OK in the upper right corner, it brings up all the Bennetts with first names that start with B and narrows your search. Now I see the customer that I'm looking for, Bob Bennett. From here, you will single click on Bob Bennett, bringing up the vehicle window. Double click on the vehicle you want, and it will auto-populate the write-up window with Bob's name and the vehicle you chose. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to find a customer and vehicle.